Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
Hi everyone, this is Kim Goyette, your Meditation Mother, coming to you live from Ha Long Bay in Vietnam. Look behind me, this is so amazing. We are on a one-night cruise in the bay to go explore this beautiful green mountainous area with tons of islands. It's really quite breathtaking. So I have to go to breakfast shortly, so I thought I'd do just a quick day with a routine that has to do with your cervical spine so that you can just get up and going in the morning. So let's bring our hands to heart center, gently close the eyes. Start to tune into your breath, entering and leaving the nose. Start to relax the shoulders away from the ears. And gently bow the mind to the heart. Release the hands. Bring the head to neutral. Take a moment, notice your chin. See if you can draw it in just a little bit to lengthen through the back of the neck. And then we're going to roll the shoulders all the way back, round in a circle, warming up all the muscles in the upper body. And other direction. Let's bring our fingertips to the side. Good. Tilt your left ear over to your left shoulder and then relax your right shoulder away from the ear. So it's not being forced, it's just allowing gravity to use the weight to release just very gently. Good. Very little effort. And noticing your ear possibly sinking a little bit more towards the shoulder. And then from here, let's take our right palm. We're going to flex the palm out. You might feel a pretty big sensation from the center of your palm all the way up the forearm into the upper arm and shoulder. And then slowly keep the hand flexed, slowly lower down. Allow the weight of the hand to really lengthen the side of the neck all the way down to the shoulder. Good. Feel like you're pushing down into the earth. From here, take your chin. We're going to turn it just a little bit towards the left shoulder. Take a few deep breaths here. And then drop the chin all the way down through center. Release the hand. Roll the shoulders back. And relax. Let's do the same thing on the other side. So take your ear over to your right shoulder this time. Really relax the left shoulder down away from the ear. Good. Flex that left hand this time. Really push out. It's pretty sensitive for me. I don't know if you can feel it all the way up your palm, up through the forearm, upper arm and shoulder, and then slowly lower all the way down. Relax the shoulder away from the ear. Good. All the sounds of the morning, the boat's getting going. Pretty amazing. Let's tuck the chin more towards the shoulder. Allow that shoulder to relax away from the ear. Find your sweet spot right towards the back and side of the neck. And then drop the chin back towards center. Roll the shoulders. Good. We're going to take our left hand, sweep it around back behind us so that the palm faces backwards. Your fingertips are wrapped around. And then you can take your right hand and clasp onto that palm so that you have a fist around the side. Relax the shoulders away from the ears. We're going to do circles with the chin. Tuck the chin in, going towards the exposed shoulder all the way around. Good. Allow your chin to draw circles in front of you, really loose, with very shoulders away from the ears. Good. So we have a fist over to the left side this time. Drop your chin, starting to make circles in one direction. Okay, continue to breathe. Shoulder. Stay here for a breath or two. And then looking over the right shoulder. Good. Coming back to center. Release the arms all the way down. Roll the shoulders nice and big. Good. I'm going to turn sideways so you can see a little bit better. Take the hands, clasp them at the lower part of your skull, draw the elbows towards each other, and then draw your chin in so that the back of the head pushes against the hands. Good, give a little bit of push, really strengthen the throat, opening up the back neck, and then see if you can press into the lower skull and lift up just a little bit, get length into the cervical spine. Good. Lift your chin up if it feels good for your neck. Good, push into the hands. One more time, lift the chin up. Push into the hands. Good, elbows come forward. Start to tuck in round and very gentle on the neck, on the head. Very light. Good, take a deep breath into the back body. Expand from right to left. And release, come all the way up. Good, roll the shoulders back. I'm going to do one more thing. This is a quickie class. Let's have the arms out to the side. Take the left arm over the right. You can grab opposite elbows, or you can from back to back with the hands, or wrap all the way around, whatever feels best for you. Tuck the chin. Good. Press the elbows towards each other. Get some space in between the shoulder blades. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, press. Good. Inhale, lift. Exhale, press. One more time. Inhale, lift. Exhale, press. Good. Start to tuck the elbows into the chest. Round in heavy arms, leaning forward. Take a deep breath into the back body. And release all the way down. Good, slowly come up. We'll try it one more time. Arms out to the side. Let's cross that right arm over the left. You can grab opposite shoulders, come back to back, or wrap. Good, tuck the chin, draw the chin in, lift the elbows, and press the elbows towards each other. Deep breath in between the shoulder blades. Inhale, lift. Exhale, press. One more time. Inhale, lift. Exhale, press. Good. Start to draw the elbows in towards your body, towards your chest. Drop the head, feeling heavy with the arms. Take a deep breath into the back body. And release. Good. Slowly come all the way up. Let's roll the shoulders out. So instead of doing Shavasana today, we're going to sit in a gentle meditation. You can get into a comfortable seat. Gently close your eyes, have your hands in your lap or on your knees or your hands to heart center, whatever feels good for you today. Tuck the chin in, lengthen through the back of the neck, through the cervical spine. Relax the shoulders away from the ears. Good. Start to tune into your breath. Entering and leaving the nose very gently. Just noticing the peace and softness around you. Taking a few breaths into that space. Start to bring your awareness to your physical body. Noticing that softness on your skin, muscles of the face, what is going on inside of you. The softening of the heart, the peace that you find within yourself. Just a few more breaths here. Let's bring the hands to heart center, the thumbs touching the heart. The heart lifts up into the thumbs. Tuck the chin in just a little bit and lengthen through the back of the neck. And really set your intention for softness and peace within. Let's bow the mind to the heart. Thank yourself for being here today on this beautiful, peaceful day. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me for this short class in Ha Long Bay. How beautiful is this that we get to do yoga together here. If you like this class and you want to be the first to receive weekly videos, please subscribe to my YouTube station at Yoga with Meditation Mutha. See you next time.